Alright guys, welcome to our life in the Philippines. Today we're gonna go and just do some window shopping, trying to get out of the heat. It is blistering hot today. Looks like the motorcycle parking is full or over full, but we'll find our bike eventually. There got to be at least a couple of thousand bikes out there. Alright, so we're going to go inside the mall here and just do some window shopping, take it a little easy today. We have been a little slacking over the last few days. Not done a whole lot of vlogging, partially because it's afternoon. It's super rainy over the last 4 days, and we have I have some obligations in the morning that I need to take care of for my clients in the United States, so I haven't had a whole lot of time. We're gonna get back at it, so stay tuned. Come on with us. Alright, so we're gonna take you for just a little sightseeing tour, window shopping, whatever you want to call it. And just look around and see what you can find. We are today at SM Clark, SM Mall in Clark, Angeles City. And we are going to let's put it this way. One of the main reasons we're here is actually we wanted to get out of the hot weather. And so we are up here on the second floor. And the second floor contains about the SM store right in front of us. Going down this way, we have a store that I am surprised to see here as much. When I was growing up in Sweden, they had just started this business, H&M, and it has become a worldwide store. H&M stands for, in Swedish, if I translate it to English, it is actually hers and Maurits. Maurits is a name, and hers is. All right, so here we have the IMAX. What's going on IMAX? We got the Avengers Endgame. That's a big game now too, right? You can buy. I saw on my computer running an ad for it. Some of the scenes from that. Right, the coffee shop, and this is the movie theater area. And I think also they have, don't they have a bowling alley here, up here somewhere?
Yeah.
Where is it? I'd love to go bowling one day. Have you ever done it?
No.
It's fun. It's really fun. It's a lot of people in here today, huh? There's a lot of people in here today. They're probably trying, like we are, getting out of the heat. It's been so hot. All right, so let's go. And here we have S10, Galaxy S10. They have come out with an S10. Yeah. S10 is brand new, yeah. Most people are getting an 8 or a 9 now because they're cheaper. And Nokia, I think Nokia is a Finnish, came from Scandinavia. Yeah, Nokia phones. All right, they have another Funland here. They have 2 now. Right. Boy, they do know how to make noise. Right. Wings and things. Buffalo's wings and things. Oh, the shawarma shack. Yeah. Well, the best shawarmas they have down there in they have down there in the what do you call it? Walking Street area, one of the back streets. You get a nice good shawarma. Oh yeah, that's the bowling alley right there. We'll probably go down there one of these days. I love to bowl. I was a pretty mediocre bowler, but we had, yeah, I was a pretty mediocre bowler, but I did play. We had, when I was working, we had company leagues, competing against company. What's in here? Wellness zone. It's almost, you feel almost like you're walking into a mirror here. See how, look at those shiny floors. It's incredible. It almost felt like you're walking into a mirror. Wellness zone. People are coming in here doing their thing. Yeah. Oh yeah. Sport barbers. Medicard. Prime salons, so there's a lot of beauty salons and stuff. California Nails and Day Spa. So this is like, so this is more like a what do you call it? Beauty zone. Have you ever been here? I never walked in here before. It was pretty interesting. So we're just gonna walk through here. It's everywhere. Yes, you can get massage, you can get your hair done, you can get your nails done. There's another barber shop in there. And it seems pretty busy actually. That's pretty cool. Eyelash extension. Here you go. You need an eyelash? That's pretty cool. I never seen a store where you just do eyelashes. You can do health massage. Right, hair color and treatments.
It's eyewear.
So many. Is this eyewear? Yeah. And we have a dentist here too. And here we have, they're selling medical stuff, can even get a wheelchair in there, I think. Sports equipment, exercise equipment. Yeah. Buy one, get one item for free. Right. That's pretty cool. Yeah, we go downstairs and go up towards the groceries where Gemma works. Alright, so that's kind of the top level floor on the mall. We're gonna walk around a little bit, just relax, and we're gonna go this way, right? Janice has a sister that works up here, so we're gonna go and see if we can see her.